Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and no, I am not reviewing the latest virtual reality headset. What I am doing is getting a nice, relaxing eye massage. And these days, we all can use more ways to stay relaxed, and this eye massager from Bob and Brad will definitely help you do that. This is an eye massager that features not only air cushion massage, but also vibration and heat. It has built-in sounds, but also can connect to your phone or another device through Bluetooth to listen to any music or sounds you want to listen to. It is easy controlled with voice prompts so that even when it's on your head, you'll know exactly what mode you're in. You can use any of the modes independently or together, and it just works really, really great. If you're using the air cushion pressure, it has 3 different levels, so you can go as soft or as strong as you want. So really, really excellent product by Bob and Brad. Before I talk more about me using it, I'm just going to jump over and we're going to get some close-ups so you can see exactly the different controls and the different functions and how they all work. So here you have the Bob and Brad eye massager. It is operating right now, and you see on the outside you have these little LEDs that indicate that it's operating. Of course, you don't see that because your eyes are covered, but anyone else in the room would know that you're using it. Got the Bob and Brad logo there, and over here you have the display that lets you know what mode you're in. Now what's great is when you're using this, there are voice prompts. So even though you can't see this when this is on your face, there are voice prompts. So when you change the pressure or you change the mode, then it lets you know. There's little announcements inside. So you always know what mode you're in. You always know what pressure level you're in. And if you use the volume control, you know what volume level you're in because it announces it. So you can hear that. So that is great. And it's really easy to control. These are very tactile buttons. So even when this is on your eyes, you're able to feel these buttons and short press to change pressure level, or long press to change, or short press the power button to change modes, and pressing the volume level to change the volume level, or long pressing to change the sound that you're hearing. Now, as far as the built-in sounds on here, there are 3 built-in sounds. I'm going to go ahead and tell you they're not much use. I mean, unless you just want like white noise, the rain and the brook, they sound more like white noise than anything else. The one that's kind of piano music, that one does sound kind of like piano music, and it's just very sort of repeating melody, so it doesn't change a whole lot, but it is there for you. What I like the most is a Bluetooth mode. If you put it in Bluetooth mode, you can connect to your phone, and then you can play ambient sounds from an app on your phone that does that, or play music, soft music, or whatever you want to listen to. And that, to me, sounds the best. So that is what I would recommend you doing, is connecting this to your phone through Bluetooth. And that's really easy to set up. You just go into your phone and look for the eye massager and connect to it. Really easy to set up. But yeah, once you get this on, let's take a look on the inside here so you can see sort of that pressure, that air pressure that is used. And this doesn't push on your eyeballs. People want to know, does this push on your eyeballs? No, it doesn't push on your eyeballs. Obviously, that could be dangerous. But it's got these little air cushions that push around your eyes, like on your temples and like the muscles on your face around your eyes. And so that's what gives you that nice massage level, massage all the way around, and it is it's more of a massage than I thought it would be. At first I thought, okay, it's just gonna be like a little massage in one place, but no, it really does encapsulate all around your eyes, the top of your head and side of your head around your eyes to give you a really nice massage. But you can see those the air pressure working now. You can see how that kind of works. And that's how that operates. So yeah, that's the controls and how this thing functions. So you might want to know where to charge it. When you open it up, boom, there you go. There's your micro USB port right there. So you saw there all the different controls, how they work, easy to operate, 3 basic buttons, very tactile feel, so easy to operate even while it's on your head. and you get those voice prompts. Let's jump over just a really quick video so you can see me using this and kind of see it in use, and hopefully you can hear some of those voice prompts as well, so you can kind of see how that works. So you can see I was very relaxed in getting a great massage with this. Now this is one size fits all. It does have that adjustable band in the back to help fit different head sizes. I'll tell you right now, I have like the smallest adult head known to mankind. Literally, when I buy eyeglasses, I have to shop in the preteen teen section because adult glasses don't come in my size. That's how small my head is. So whenever you have a one size fits all, if you have an exceptionally large head or an exceptionally small head, then it's probably not going to be as ideal for you as it is for most people with average size heads. And I have the smallest size. So it's probably not perfect for me, but at the same time, it still works. And it gives great pressure, the pressure points around your eye. Now what's great is this does have give to it with the way the elastic band and the inside works. So you don't have to worry about, like, if you had a helmet on and something was pushing and it got too close to your eyeball and it pushed in your eyeball, that could hurt, that could be painful, right? You don't have to worry about that with this so much because of the fact that it has some give to it, and it's not going to put too much pressure. Also, the pressure is adjustable. That's what I love about this. You can get exactly what you want out of it. If you want heat, you can have just heat and nothing else. If you want vibration, you can have just that. If you want just the acupressure through the air cushions, you can have that. You can control that with 3 different levels of pressure. So you can have very low pressure, medium, or high. And then you can have any combination of all of those things to give you exactly what you need and what feels best for you. All easily controllable through these 3 buttons. You also have those built-in sounds. Now, as I said, the built-in sounds, the brook, the ocean, the rain, not so much. I don't like those so much. They're kind of, they don't come through sounding like much of anything to me, unless you just want white noise, in which case that's fine. The piano kind of new agey music they have in here, that's kind of okay. But for me, the best thing to do, Bluetooth. Hook this up to your phone through Bluetooth. You can listen to ambient sounds through an app on your phone or just play music, and that is great. And I love that that is built into this and that they put Bluetooth in this. That's great. Also, the fact that you can control all this with these 3 buttons, tactile feel, so even when it's on your face, easy to reach up, find those buttons, control, change the mode, and you always get a voice prompt that lets you know what mode you're in or what sound level you're in, because you can control the volume, low, medium, high, or off. And those voice prompts let you know exactly where you are. So this is another really, really excellent product by Bob and Brad. It's very relaxing. The first time I used it, I actually fell asleep. And then, you know, it only runs for 15 minutes. It has auto shut off after 15 minutes, and it shut off, and then about 10 minutes later I woke up, because it is very relaxing. It just helps to ease stress, helps to relieve different things like tension headaches and things around your eyes and your head. So really, really excellent product. Great for you. Great as a gift for someone else. And the fact that it has so many different variables to really tweak it to get exactly the kind of eye massage you're looking for, that's what makes this a really excellent product, and definitely a product that I would recommend. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share the video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my playlist or my channel, or favorite this playlist to keep up with future product reviews. If you have any questions, post them in the comments below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That's going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.